Alright, here I am this morning with the new excavator, and I've got a project. So put this thing to work right away with some work on this old pond. So this is an old farm pond. I've got another video about this pond. It's 4 feet deep in the deepest spot. So as far as I can tell, there's not a fish in here, just a lot of frogs and occasional turtle. And it's full of sediment, and the dam is eroded at the spillway quite badly, so that's also affecting the depth. So here's the spillway on the dam, and you know, it's eroded down a couple feet there, and then some really bad erosion on the dam, which also needs to be fixed. And you know, someone at some point threw a bunch of junk down there. I don't know if this pond is 50 years old or 150 years old. I have no idea, but it's definitely in need of some TLC. So what I'm gonna do on this pond is I'm gonna drain it and dig it out. And I also need some dirt for another project. If I can get into some clay, not sediment, but if I can get into some clay, I can use that elsewhere. So, but it needs to be dug out. So first thing I need to do is drain it. So I'll see if I can get the excavator down this little path, clear things a little bit, and then situate it down here, hopefully, to dig that out and let water start draining. I mean, there's water coming. I've got to do some more digging here, but okay, now it's really flowing. And I'm gonna stop for a minute because I don't want to flood anyone out downstream. Don't think it will, but it's a fair amount of water movement. Let's go look downstream. Pretty good bit of water. Still not overflowing here like it does in a rainstorm, so shouldn't be anything downstream that I can't handle. All right, I'm gonna let the pond drain for a while. Well, hopefully that time lapse showed the level sinking just a bit. While that time lapse was recording, I dug a path in the woods all the way around to the dam, which you would have seen in the time lapse, to dig out a little more where I could not reach on the other side. Let's go see what's left. Well, still running, so that's good. And there's a few stop ups here, but it's all downhill from up here. So the hang up will be out there where you can see that's the shallow spot. So we're already at the bed of the pond there. Right now I don't dare go out here. I could a little bit, but we'll let things dry up a bit to where I can drive out here a little more and then dig things, and hopefully by the end of summer get this dug out, dried out, so we can clean it up. All right, thanks for watching.